Easily find, book, and manage your travel nursing assignments with the AMN Passport app. Download today. What kind of characteristics do you appreciate in cardiac nurses, or what characteristics of what makes a good cardiac nurse?
You have to be vigilant because, like, on your frequent
Mm-hmm.
checks and all that, you make sure you notice slight differences and take note of it, because it could turn into something bad quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you need to have patience and understanding because with like our heart failure patients, a lot of heart failure patients do come in a lot. Whether it's they're not following their
Yeah.
regimen or whatever, they're having complications. So, you do see them a lot. So, you got to be patient with them and understanding like, hey, stuff happens. They're back in there. You can't, keep getting
Like have
like a
judgment.
judgment, like frequent flyer, thought about them. Like, they're
Yeah.
here again because like that's just, that's not good for anyone. Not good for them. Not because, stuff happens or they can't afford their medications or whatever. And like, they ended up
Yeah.
again. But
Yeah.
you got to be like try to understand and not just like judge like, they're here again because
Yeah.
they are here. The heart failure patients are there pretty frequently.
And then I was
Yeah.
with our vascular patients a lot, just like I think being like empathetic in the general like thing because a lot we see because of the vascular issues a lot of amputations that
Mhm.
people come in with
Mm.
their whole leg and then
They're leaving with it up to the groin.
they leave with like an AKA and sometimes it's going at both legs so then it's like you have to
Oh.
be like very because and some people they handle it very well, they can make a joke about it, whatever, and then other people obviously losing a limb is like devastating, so
Yeah.
like it's like being empathetic that they're like going through like a really hard thing, like, and and a lot of the
Yeah.
times it's not like a clean cut because they'll like start with a toe and then you'll like lose the foot, and so
Yeah.
I think and that just like general like being like caring and understanding
And
that they're
encouraging to them.
encouraging, yeah, because a lot of them do get
Yeah.
unmotivated, and it's like when you get unmotivated that's just gonna continue to
You
make things
decline in
worse.
every other aspect if you lose motivation.